The D6R Walkaround video gives an overview of a daily pre-shift walkaround. Operators should view this video in its entirety and adhere to its guidelines. However, it is not a substitute for the operation and maintenance manual. Please study the operation and maintenance manual completely. The safe operation of any machine begins with a thorough walk-around inspection. You should perform this inspection with the machine parked and blade and ripper, if fitted, set on level ground before you start your work shift. If machine implements are not lowered to ground level when parked, remember to report the infringement, as that can lead to unsafe conditions. Please note safety signs placed in various locations around the machine. When conducting the daily walk-around, look for machine irregularities, damaged parts, or leaks. To keep your daily walk-around consistent, it is recommended you maintain a routine as you move around the machine, and remember to report anything that may cause unsafe operation or damage to the machine. Begin your walk-around at the right rear corner. At the rear of the machine, check the ripper carriage and frame for cracks and bending. Inspect the ripper shanks and teeth for damage or excessive wear. Check the condition of hydraulic hoses and their connections to the hydraulic cylinder and the back of the tractor. Check for cracked, broken, and loose teeth on the final drive sprocket, as well as any loose segment bolts, and check for leaks. Inspect the right undercarriage from top to bottom. Look for any signs of damage, wear, and leaks. While moving along the side of the tractor, check the condition of the push arm. Look for any cracking or bending. Inspect all hydraulic cylinders for leaks or damage. Cylinder mounts must be secure. Check the condition of the blade, including corner bits, cutting edges, and welded joints. Now check for cracks and bending in the left side push arm. Inspect the left undercarriage from top to bottom. Look for any signs of damage, wear, and leaks. As you return to the ripper, continue to check the carriage and frame for cracks and bending. Inspect the ripper shanks and teeth for damage or excessive wear. Complete your daily grease servicing requirements around the machine as specified in the Operation and Maintenance Manual. Continue to the right side of the machine and check the hydraulic fluid using the sight gauge above the final drive. As you climb onto the right side of the machine, remember to maintain 3 points of contact. Pull back on the engine compartment door and make sure it is locked in the open position. Inspect and make sure the compartment is free of debris. When you are done, make sure the door is securely fastened. Move to the platform, open the compartment, and check the level of the transmission fluid using the dipstick. As you move back to ground level, be sure to face the machine and maintain 3 points of contact. Remember to always face the machine when moving back to ground level. Continue moving around the blade to reach the left side of the tractor. Mount the machine using 3 points of contact and open the left side engine compartment door. Pull back on the door to make sure it is locked in the open position. As you inspect the compartment, stay alert to any signs of a fuel leak. Check for debris and make sure that all filters are secured and not leaking. Check the engine coolant level by the sight gauge located at the upper area of the engine bay. Check the level of the engine oil using the dipstick. Close and latch the engine compartment door. Before you climb to the cab, open the battery compartment and check the battery for loose connections. Open the compartment on the left side of the cab. Insert the master key and turn. Inside the cab, make sure your seatbelt is in safe condition and fasten it. Adjust your controls and seat for comfort and productivity. When turning on the ignition key, the monitoring panel will go through a pre-check startup diagnostic self-check that runs for 3 seconds and then reverts to normal operating mode. Report any inconsistency that suggests the display module is not operating properly. For more information on the D6R, please refer to your operation and maintenance manual. This includes recommended service intervals, daily servicing, testing procedures, safe operating of machine systems. The new D6R track-type tractor is a rugged, durable machine designed for maximum productivity. A thorough walk-around inspection can prolong the life of your machine and help ensure your safety. Make it an important part of your daily routine.